This conference will now be recorded.
Oh, hi. So today we will start with HTML. What about HTML? Basically, HTML is HTML is hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. And HTML files are saving with dot HTML format. And one more point, HTML is collection of elements. HTML is collection of elements. Basically, HTML is text and image and text comma image, text comma images, and text boxes, and videos combination. See, HTML is simply a displayable element, displayable content on top of browser. HTML is simply displayable content on top of the browser. What user can able to see? See, HTML is what user can able to see, able to see. HTML is what user can able to see. Yeah. So HTML is completely markup. What is this markup, guys? Let me tell you markup. What is markup? This is something like a tag open. This is something like tag open, and whatever the content you want, you can place the content over there, and you need to close the tag close. So remember the syntax. HTML is collection of tags. First of all, we need to understand HTML is collection of tags, and there are multiple kind of tags which are going to be available. So I will explain all the tags and types and different kind of things. And first of all, we should know what is HTML, all those things. One more point I just want to write for you. One more point I just want to write for you. Can I put a bullet points for everything? That is your wish. If you want, you can put a bullet point for everything. Let me give the bullet point for everything. Yeah, just make it copy. No need to write every time. Okay, fine. Okay, this one is not needed. Just and try to understand the different points. I can't able to do this. Okay, uh, fine. Now, first of all, we need to understand HTML is hypertext markup language. HTML files are saving with .html format. HTML is collection of elements, and HTML is text, images, text boxes, videos combination. HTML is simply displayable content on top of the browser. And one more point, HTML, whatever we can able to see, what user can able to see. And one more point, HTML is completely markup, like tag open, tag close, and inside the tag we can able to place some content, all those things. That is what basically HTML is. And one more point which I just want to make it, HTML is one of the major building block of front end technologies or browser block of major building block of the browser. That's it. HTML is major building block of the browser. Finally, browser can able to understand HTML. Browser can able to understand HTML, or can able to render HTML. So the points I'm just writing for HTML definition, whatever it may be, I don't know. So, and who developed this particular HTML, all these things? Tim Berners-Lee in 1990s. HTML developed by Tim Berners in 1990s. Okay, so it is so-called web, the first component in web, the first component in web or WWW. What is this WWW? World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Yes, finally, the latest version of HTML is HTML5. The latest version of HTML is HTML5. We will learn HTML5 completely, don't worry. So this is not a big deal. So I'll go with HTML4 first, then we will go for HTML5. A lot of things we can able to learn from this. Okay, so that's all for today. Let me continue the next session.